I live here in a senior collective. We are 12 people, women, of course women, and we want to be independent. But I have a lot of energy and I'm happy for the life I have. I have always been living simple. We lived in the country for 22 years. I have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 daughters. And now I sit alone. And I don't expect people to come and do something for me because I want to be social. I don't want to be sitting here alone. I like to watch TV sometimes. Then 11:30 I go across the street here. There is a place for lunch. It's very social. There are many people, so I go there nearly every day. Then I go home, and sometimes we have gymnastics and we have dancing, and I have a film club. If something is boring, I take my car and go to a restaurant or to a cafe in town and do something. My son, he said, here there's a computer, here is internet, and now you start. And then the same with the iPhone. I have everything there, my photos. My family, they have been living abroad, and then we use Skype. So you are always in contact with them. It's very important for me to do something to get closer to each other. It is people who are inside who create the environment, not the furniture.